On Saturday, June 15, 2024, the first ever Juneteenth at the U was held at Crete-Monee High School in the village of Crete, Illinois, uniting and engaging the beautifully diverse neighboring communities of Monee, University Park, and Park Forest in a day of joyful celebration, reflection, and reconciliation. Beginning with a Freedom Walk sponsored by the Crete Community Runners Association, with a route that led walkers past the Crete Cemetery and Congregational Church, which the National Park Service evaluated and is included in the National Underground Railroad Network to Freedom. After heartfelt greetings and reflections from locally elected officials, Crete-Monee School District 201U Superintendent, and community leaders, the day featured performances by the Crete-Monee High School students, jazz band, Governor State Dance Company, and sounds of live music. Attendees enjoyed interacting with and supporting local artisans, vendors, and community organizations, as well as the delicious array of food options from local restaurants. The celebration concluded with a spirited community drum circle facilitated by Spirit Drummers. Juneteenth at the U would not have been possible without the helping hands of volunteers, school district staff, and the generous sponsorship of Prairie State College, His Hands Healthcare Services, Holland, Crete-Monee School District 201U, YCS Web Agency, Crete Park District, Monee Township, Crete Community Runners Association, Crete Lions Club, Monee Parks and Recreation, and Monee Township. The 2024 Juneteenth at the U Steering Committee volunteered their time and talent to organize this historic event for their community and was led by Valerie Butron, Gantel Perkins, Rodney and Dr. Nakia Young, Janelle Geary, Renee Chavez, Pastor James Hunt, Diana Crawl, Kevin Battles, Dr. Kara Cognalese, and School Board President Maurice Brown.